Right, another problem. Glamper van has got an E10 error code, so I've just got a can of spray duster, so can of compressed air. So I'll just see if I can get the crap out of it with this. What do you say, Emma? I'll do the front of it as well if I can get in. Right, I've just taken fuse out to reset it as well, so let's see. Right, fixed it without having to change any parts. So I bought a can of compressed gas, as you saw, tried that both sides. I took the fuse out, put it back in, restarted it, still wouldn't do it. So what I ended up doing was I primed the pump. So that's pressing these two buttons together after I took the fuse out, and then press the up button, which turns the pump on and primes the pump. So I did that, restarted it, and it's working fine.